Hi guys, it's Jackson here. So I had got a request to also review the PlayStation 4 that I bought from Game Loot. So as you can see, this is my setup. This is the PlayStation 4 that I had purchased, and this is my Sony television. So this is not a full HD television. This is a 720p television that I have. So that is one of the reasons why I did not purchase a PS5, because it is no use for me, since the TV I have is of low resolution, so it doesn't make sense to spend that much uh, amount on a PlayStation 5. Also, the stock for PS5 is not available. I tried to check everywhere, online, offline, nowhere it is available. Even if it is available, then the sellers are selling it for black market rates, like 10,000, 15,000 more than the MRP. So, and then I thought of this resolution point, like anyway I can't play above 720p, so it doesn't make sense. Also, since the PlayStation 4 is a pretty mature console, so there are a lot of games that are also available with the PlayStation 4. So even if I buy some used games from Game Loot, it will still be a very good purchase for me. So I'll show you the games that I had bought previously. So these are the games that I had purchased from Game Loot. So this is the one, Horizon Complete Edition Zero Dawn, that I am currently playing. It has beautiful graphics. Even on 720p it plays beautifully. The second game that I had purchased is The Last of Us complete remastered. This one. Then I had got a FIFA and the Call of Duty Ghosts. So the FIFA and the Call of Duty Ghosts, these two games I had got from a local uh, gamer from OLX. I got these pretty cheap because the person was planning to go abroad, so he was selling all his games and all everything. So I got it for really cheap. I got Call of Duty Ghosts for around 600 or 700, I guess, and FIFA I got it for 300. So like for 1000 rupees I got both these titles. Then these two games I had bought along with the console itself from Game Loot. I don't remember for what price I had bought, but I have mentioned that in the previous video where I had unboxed this PlayStation console. So I'll just show you a quick gameplay of the PS4 on my 720p Sony television. This is not a smart TV, this is a normal TV I am playing via the HDMI. So I have an existing game that is going on, so I'll just show you that. So I have completed the Call of Duty Ghost game completely. So I've been playing this for around 1.5 months now. I completed this entire game today. It has been a very beautiful experience, and for whatever time I have played on this console, I have not heard even a single time the fan to like rotating sounds or any sounds. So I believe that this is playing at normal temperature. It is not getting any hotter than it should be. Also, if I am playing this console now today for around 3 hours, it has still not got any heating issue. So if you see, I am like trying to feel the temperature. It's hardly any hot, or rather other than the normal usage. So if you can see, this is the game that I had loaded. This game specifically has very beautiful graphics. So as you can see, even for 720p, the amount of graphics that the PS4 console is giving, along with this the lowest available TV. Even if you go in the market to buy a TV right now, you will get a full HD TV for very cheap. I had bought this television for around 18,000, but I think now with the smart TVs and everything coming up, the prices of TVs might have gone down drastically. So if you are someone who has a low resolution TV like a 720p or max to max 1080p, then I feel the PS4 is a very good choice if you get a good console, mentioning that, because you will have access to a very big library, and most of these games now, like people have played, and they are available even for a pre-owned condition, so you don't even have to spend thousands buying a new game. You can just buy it pre-owned for around 600, 1000 depending on the title. So currently I have completed one game. I am planning to complete each of these based on the availability of time. I work 6 days a week, so I don't get much time to play, but I try to use this console on the weekend, and it has been a very wonderful experience. So this is what I have wanted to share in this video, like the quality of game and the total experience. Even if you are not a full-fledged gamer and you just play games occasionally, the kind of graphics and the fun that is there in this, it's beautiful. For me specifically, I had never played on a gaming console before, so it's a beautiful experience if you see. So that's all I wanted to share in this video. I just wanted to give a quick review for the console. I'll keep you guys updated in the comments, like after 6 months, after a year, what is the condition of this console and how it is playing. I am playing this in the vertical, like sideways. I have not kept it straight. I just got confused within horizontal and vertical. So this is horizontal. I'm playing it in the normal position. I'm not keeping it like this vertical because I'm not sure how it will impact the disc, and I have space available. I had this plastic cupboard. I put a glass on it and I made space for both the PlayStation as well as the TV. So till now it has not given me anything, zero issues. There is no lag, there is no hang and nothing. The console has played beautifully. So that's all I have to show you in this review. Take care, good luck and Merry Christmas.